Natural light has a powerful impact on how a home feels. Bright, sun-filled spaces tend to feel more open, comfortable, and inviting, while darker rooms can feel smaller and less welcoming. One of the most effective ways to increase natural light is by installing picture windows. For homeowners in Covington, picture windows are a popular choice because they flood living spaces with daylight while enhancing comfort and style. Designed to let in maximum light, picture windows are fixed windows, meaning they don't open or close. This design allows for larger panes of uninterrupted glass compared to many operable window styles. In Covington homes, this expansive glass surface lets in significantly more natural light, helping brighten rooms throughout the day without visual obstructions. Creating brighter, more open living spaces, natural light can completely transform how a room feels. Picture windows help eliminate dark corners and reduce reliance on artificial lighting. For Covington homeowners, brighter interiors make living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms feel more spacious and welcoming, improving everyday comfort. Enhancing views while bringing the outdoors in, picture windows not only maximize light but also frame outdoor views beautifully. Whether the view includes greenery, neighborhood scenery, or open skies, picture windows create a visual connection to the outdoors. In Covington homes, this connection adds to the feeling of openness and relaxation, making spaces more enjoyable to spend time in. Improving light distribution across the room. Because picture windows can be larger than standard windows, they allow light to spread more evenly throughout a room. This reduces harsh shadows and uneven lighting. For Covington living spaces, even light distribution makes rooms more functional for daily activities like reading, entertaining, or relaxing. Ideal placement for high-impact lighting. Picture windows are often installed in living rooms, dining rooms, stairwells, or any area where natural light is a priority. Their versatility makes them a strong design feature. In Covington homes, strategic placement ensures maximum daylight without disrupting room layouts or furniture placement. Supporting energy efficiency with modern glass. While picture windows are known for light, modern designs also focus on performance. Today's picture windows are available with insulated, energy-efficient glass that helps manage heat transfer. For Covington homeowners, this means enjoying abundant natural light without sacrificing indoor comfort or energy efficiency. Pairing picture windows with operable windows. Picture windows are often combined with operable window styles like casement or awning windows. This pairing allows homeowners to enjoy maximum light while still having ventilation options. In Covington homes, this combination delivers both brightness and airflow for balanced comfort. Enhancing interior design and decor. Natural light highlights interior finishes, colors, and decor. Picture windows enhance design elements by letting sunlight showcase textures and architectural details. For Covington homeowners, this added brightness elevates interior aesthetics and makes spaces feel thoughtfully designed. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting. With more daylight entering the home, homeowners rely less on artificial lighting during daytime hours. This not only enhances comfort but also supports energy savings. In Covington homes, picture windows help create naturally lit spaces that feel warm and efficient. Professional installation makes the difference. To fully benefit from picture windows, proper installation is essential. Professional installers ensure correct sizing, sealing, and placement. For Covington homeowners, expert installation ensures picture windows perform as intended and deliver lasting light and comfort. A bright upgrade for Covington homes. Picture windows are an excellent way to maximize natural light and transform living spaces. Their expansive glass design, ability to enhance views, and compatibility with modern energy-efficient features make them a valuable addition. For homeowners in Covington, picture windows offer a bright, comfortable upgrade that enhances both daily living and home appeal.